Everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna see or show you or learn how to change ink cartridges in a Canon MAXIFY mb2140 2140. It's like that. You only have to tap here, tip, you open that. So this, let me get something here, a little bit of light. Yes, this could move to here. If it doesn't move, sometimes you can slide it here. Most of the Canons are like this, but some of them you can find something here which calls whereby you have to clip something, then you take off that thing. You get me? So here it's super easy. What you do, you just tap on top here. You press here. When you tap on it, it can move away. Can be sent out because it has a spring, so it triggers it to go out. You click here, it comes out, you can see. Okay, so click here, it comes out, and then click here, it comes out. So I had some issue with one of the cartridges. So you get your new ones, then you can tap it. You can do what? You can replace by putting this back. You just press. When you press, it clips. You can see it looks like it has to face up. The numbers should be seen nicely. Yellow first, black second. Just press it in. You can see this is like this. When I put in, it's gonna go clip up. I'll repeat the process, then you see it well. Done. Okay. Let me switch off the machine. Waiting. Guys, we did finish turning off, switching, what they call changing, but it's something which I realized I have to do, but it doesn't have to do with what we did. What we did was fine. If you're done, close the machine, let's start your printing. So I want to just repeat the process, but now there's something which I'm doing which is taking longer. You can as well stop the video because that's what you wanted. Okay guys, let me not waste a lot of time of you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.